Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix MS Office installation error. Sometimes we are trying to install MS Office, but it shows a lot of errors. So look at this. So let's go to the file which contain MS Office. Okay, we'll double click to install it. Yes, this program is already running, but here is no program running. Okay, let's go to back. This type of things is created UDF file. We'll just open it, uninstall. Yes, this program is already running, but no any program is running here. Then what we will do, sometime it shows another errors, but we can fix these all errors using this method. We will just close our Wi-Fi, then we will go to Defender. We'll just we will off it. Look at this, the file is appeared. So you must have to keep in mind, at the best stage you will switch off your Wi-Fi or turn off it, and then you will off the Defender. Then click install Office. The error is fixed. Sometimes we open our file in another Windows like Windows 8, Windows 7. So when we again open this file in Windows 10, it make these type of errors. It doesn't contain any virus, but it shows sometime it containing virus or something, and sometime it make another errors like you saw on my desktop. So for fixing these type of error, we just go to our Wi-Fi to close the internet connection. It is necessary, and then we close our Defender, so the file is running normally. Look at this, my installation is completed. Let's open any of our Microsoft program. Let's open MS Word. You can see here my Microsoft Office is normally installed. Okay, let's try to activate it. Go to Utilities, Office Retail. Yes, now we can turn on our Windows Defender. All setting, Windows Defender, and we can also switch on our Wi-Fi. So look at here, my Office key is installed successfully. Let's try again to open our MS Word. look at this. Now it is not asking for any type of activation because my office is activated. If you like our video, please press the thumb up and share this videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.